Assignment number 6 presented by Praveen Sinha, Assistant Professor. This assignment is being presented as per the induction program conducted by Ramanujam College, Delhi University. Today I am presenting a slideshow of the topic Transgenic plants. Viewers, let me first of all introduce what is transgenic plant. Transgenic plants are that plants that have been genetically modified by inserting genes directly into a single plant cell. The transgenic plants contain a gene or genes which have been artificially inserted instead of plant acquiring them through pollination. Formerly, sexual process barriers were a problem for moving genes between species. Now these barriers are no more a problem for mixing gene pools. Animal, fungus and bacteria genes can now become part of a plant gene. Next, why transgenic plants? As we know, the population of world is increasing and the traditional way of doing agriculture is not enough to feed the increasing human population. Therefore, transgenic plants will in a long way be useful for maintaining the ample supply of the food grains and other nutritionally important crops. Let us see why transgenic plant is so important. In this slide, we have shown that with the help of transgenics, we can produce nutritional quality plants which are herbicide resistant, plants which are insecticide resistant, plants which can grow in biotic stress tolerant conditions like alkaline soil, acidic soil, abiotic stress tolerant plants, enhanced self-life plants, and we can also produce to some extent pharmaceuticals and vaccines with the help of transgenic plants. Let us see what are transgenic plants. Modification of DNA using genetic engineering techniques produce transgenic plants. Transgenic plants aim is to introduce a new trait or a character to the plant. The inserted sequence of DNA is known as transgene. The purpose of inserting a combination of gene in a plant so as to make it useful and productive as possible. Examples in food crops include resistance to certain pests, diseases, or environmental conditions, reduction of spoilage, or resistance to chemical treatments like resistance to herbicide, insecticide. Transgenic plants can also help in improving the nutrient profile of the crop. Examples in non-food crops include production of pharmaceutical agents, biofuels, and other industrially useful goods, as well as for bioremediation. How transgenic plants are made. Original approach used a natural plant system. Current plasmid based with various delivery systems are nowadays used in order to produce transgenic plants. Currently, many trait engineered or under development, now augmented by newer high throughput gene sequencing techniques and highly politicized, especially in the European Union. The most important way of producing transgenic plant is using agrobacterium mediated gene transfer technique. In this slide, we have shown how Ti plasmid, which is presented agrobacterium, can be helpful in transferring desired gene into the host or the normal plant. Some of the genetically modified transgenic plants are Bt cotton, Bt brinjal, etc. Thank you very much.